In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a Postmates promo code that helped me save a significant amount of money on my Postmates order. Absolutely free. If you're looking for the latest Postmates promo code, discounts, or deals that actually work, make sure you watch this video all the way through. How to get a Postmates promo code. First, grab your mobile phone. Whether you're using an iPhone or Android, it works the same. Next, head over to the website linked in the comments section below. Once you're on the site, use the search bar and type Postmates. Click on the Postmates result, then scroll down to view the available Postmates promo codes and coupons. Click the Show Coupon button to reveal your promo code and apply it to your order. These Postmates promo codes are limited and updated frequently, so you'll need to unlock your personal promo code to ensure no one else uses it before you do. If you want step-by-step instructions and direct access to the Postmates promo code, check out the pinned comment below. I've included everything you need to start saving on your next Postmates delivery.